Have you ever wondered what it feels like to step into a painting, to taste history, or to hear the whispers of ancient civilizations? Welcome to a journey through the rich tapestry of Europe, a continent that has shaped and been shaped by time itself. Start in the city of light and love, Paris, with its iconic Eiffel Tower and the stunning Louvre Museum, home to thousands of masterpieces including the Mona Lisa. But Paris isn't just about landmarks. It's a city that breathes art, culture, and fashion. Its quaint streets, bustling cafes, and charming boutiques exude an irresistible allure that has seduced countless hearts. Next, venture to Italy, where every city is a treasure trove of architectural wonders and culinary delights. From the ancient ruins of Rome to the romantic canals of Venice, the country is a living testament to the grandeur of past civilizations. And let's not forget the food. Italian cuisine, with its simple ingredients and rich flavors, is a gastronomic experience that transcends borders. Head north to the United Kingdom, a place where history and modernity coexist in harmony. Explore the grandeur of London with its iconic landmarks like the Tower of London, Buckingham Palace, and the British Museum. Then wander through the Scottish Highlands, where the rugged beauty of the landscape is matched only by the warmth of its people. Now, let's journey to the heart of Europe, Germany. Known for its precision engineering, Germany is more than just cars and clocks. Its vibrant cities like Berlin and Munich are a blend of historic architecture and contemporary culture, and its picturesque countryside with its fairy tale castles and lush vineyards is a sight to behold. Spain, the land of flamenco and fiestas, beckons next. The country's diverse landscape, from the sun-kissed beaches of Costa del Sol to the snow-capped peaks of the Sierra Nevada, is as captivating as its rich cultural heritage. And Barcelona, with its unique blend of Gothic and modernist architecture, is a city that dances to its own rhythm. Finally, discover the lesser-known gems of Eastern Europe. From the medieval towns of Poland to the stunning fjords of Norway, these destinations offer a unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. To sum up, Europe is a mosaic of cultures, each with its own unique charm and history. From the romantic streets of Paris to the ancient ruins of Rome, the stunning landscapes of the United Kingdom to the vibrant cities of Germany, the diverse beauty of Spain to the hidden gems of Eastern Europe, each destination is a chapter in the grand narrative of human civilization. So pack your bags and set off on a journey through time and space, because Europe is not just a destination, it's an experience.